Who wants to get some lunch? Wait for the drums. We got another cool place here, guys. We found that you guys need to come check out. And let's hear what Linda has ordered for lunch today. Lunch, not dinner, lunch. Yeah. This is my lunch date, my wife, Linda. She's so beautiful. Tell everybody what you ordered here, honey.
Hello, guys. How are you today? So, today I come to play in Riverside again, and I come to eat a soup snack. I ordered the soup snack and a Riverside snack, but it's not so big, like medium snack. I will show you.
Does it have eggs?
Maybe this one not have egg. Maybe in a snack I have egg about and like not like anytime like this one not have. Yeah, sure.
That's one of the great things about Cambodia is you can order things like snake and snake eggs. I mean, how awesome is that? Let's see what they got to offer, guys. Let's take a walk around and see what this place is. Let's go see Linda and see what's on order here. And we have Linda at our humble abode. Yeah, what do we get?
Oh, now this one and prahok.
Brohok? Oh, your favorite.
Ham first, but later in a beef and soup eel is coming.
Ah.
Soon, about maybe 5 minutes more.
All right, we just got an update. And what did they say?
Today I order an soup eel, very good, like the same snack. Because right now people call to find in a snack, yeah, but have eel everywhere, no problem, to easy to find. But I ordered snack but don't have. I want to eat snack for a long time before, but cannot find right now. Okay, order soup eel. Yeah,
what she's saying, guys, is that a lot of things are farmed, like the fish, the shrimp, and a lot of other things, the crabs. But the snakes, they have to go hand catch in the riverside, and that is labor intensive and it takes time. So like we said before, is they only have so much each day, depending how much they catch, and when they're out, they're out. So if you guys want to catch some snake, eat some snake, come here in the rainy season, not the dry season. And come here early and you will get first dibs on some wonderful snake and snake eggs. Oh, we got food coming right here. Oh, look at that. We got some nice food. Oh, there's the eel. I can smell some eel. Here's the eel. It has arrived.
Yeah.
Looks very soupy. Let's see some of that wonderful eel footage.
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Looks very Cambodian.
Looks delicious.
Looks delicious. All right, guys. We're going to try, or I am going to try, some eel for the first time. Is there bones in it? Is there bones or just eat like
And the bone inside. This one is.
There's bones.
No, and the bone inside we call for all. You see?
They cook the eel and chop,
Yeah,
and
chop,
you get
chop,
bones.
chop.
So you got to pull the bones out like the fish.
Yeah.
Okay.
And the bone.
Oh, it's very hot. We got ourselves some company. They decided to enjoy some of the rice that we leave behind. Yeah, we hear you. You're welcome. All yours. All right, guys, we're gonna do eel soup. There's the little eel. That's a bad angle in here. You see that juicy little nugget right there? Ho, ho, ho. You're right, there's bones. Not bad, actually. Ooh. I don't know how to describe it. The texture's not bad. The flavor's good. I think the broth in the soup really brings out the yumminess of it, but it's definitely going to be an acquired taste for Mr. Mahoney Travels here. Mrs. Mahoney Travels over here, though, she's a guru of snakes and eel. How's your eel soup?
Eel and soup eel very good. Okay, you want to know what I eat? But my husband, he don't know how to eat much, but I can eat for eel for all, like what meat inside, like
The bone.
yeah, the bone. I can eat for all. This one because on a small eel for me, not big, but I have big mouth more than eel. You see?
No problem.
No problem. Because I'm strong mouth.
Yeah.
Yeah. You see, and one more.
Khmer people have strong mouths. Do you hear that?
Really good.
Oh, and our beef just come. Ho ho, happy. And there we have it, guys. The beautiful beef. Roll that beautiful beef footage. Yes. All right. Here's the beef. We got some steamed rice, the eel soup. This is my eel soup, Cambodia. This is brahok right here, I'm guessing.
Yeah, brahok and it's spicy, but you
Brahok.
don't like brahok, you don't eat.
I'll give you the brahok. I know you like, honey.
Thank you.
And then we have the spicy, which is really good with the beef. And then, of course, the pepper, garlic right here. And so what we do is we'll just put a little bit of the lime. We'll squeeze it onto the pepper like in the other video. And we'll just dip that beef. Ho, ho, what a great lunch this is.
Okay, and this and Cambodian food and riverside. So then Cambodia call this one prahok, like prahok ling.
Brahok ling.
Yeah, prahok ling. And okay, I show you how to eat like in riverside, like eat that. Wait, it's spicy like that.
You put it on the rice.
And I with the prahok, yeah. This one, good. I'm big mouth, that's why I have the food and big food. Like this. Will make me hungry, want to eat now. I see the spicy. Like that.
Oh, delicious. Oh,
Like yum.
oh my goodness. Very spicy with the brahok.
Good for me. No problem.
Okay, guys, the moment I've been waiting for is the beef with the spicy. The beef has arrived. Ho, ho, ho. Very delicious. Oh, wow. Wow, very good. Oh, my goodness. I can't get enough of this. This is a great lunch. Just a short drive out of Siem Reap, guys. Maybe 5 minutes down the road from downtown. You leave Pub Street, 5 minutes you're here in the Riverside. Such a small little town. And you got great places like this to go grab some great lunch or some great dinner. And to have some exotic food and amazing food, no doubt. Got a dog over here, full of food slut. Trying to get some food from us. You little beggar. No beef for you, boy. I made it this far in the video. Leave a palm tree emoji and we'll heart it for you. We appreciate you watching. Doing a great job, babies. What are you guys planting? What are you guys making flowers? Oh, good job, good job. Well, look at that, working hard. All right. Hey. In Cambodia, the kids go to school in the morning and then they come home in the afternoon for about 2 hours and they go back to school till about 5 p.m. But a lot of the children, when they come home, they work in a family business just like this here, and they do chores in between as their studies as well. So kids work very, very hard here. It's going to be nice for a new generation of hard workers. We hope you enjoyed this video. This is a great little lunch spot out here in Phnom Krom. And we always try to bring you these places that are kind of off the beaten track, where a lot of the locals go, but not many tourists. But tourists are more than welcome. If you want to take a good nap, have some great food, especially some khmer food like eel or snake, this is the place to be. We'll leave the link below. And until next time, guys, safe travels from Mahoney Travels. We love you. We'll see you in the next video. Ciao.